Hi there, my name's Ben. I'm an owner of a small web design company in Leicestershire in the UK. I just wanted to quickly show you how to add this AOS animation, which is Animate on Scroll, to your Elementor WordPress website. So I always start off with a blank slate, so I remove any of the Elementor animations that I've already used, might have used, just so you're kind of starting off from I don't like to use both of the animations on the same page. So what I've got here is in front of me is basically a fresh install of WordPress. The only things I've got installed are Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is a paid plugin for Elementor. It adds all the Pro functionality. I 100% recommend it. I use Elementor on all my websites. I think it's absolutely fantastic. If you do want to go ahead and purchase it, there is a link in the description below, which is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you do go ahead and buy. The only other thing I've installed on this website is the Hello theme, which is Elementor's theme, which is kind of bare bones, and it works super well, super minimal. And then what I've done here is so add in the code. So go to Elementor and go to custom code, and this is what you need the Pro version for, because custom code is only available on Elementor Pro. I've already added these two in, but let's just go through and add in the JavaScript again, just so we can show you how that works. So at the minute, if you go to custom code and then go to add new, you can put anything you want in the title, but I'm always just going to put AOS.js, which is Animate on Scroll JavaScript. We're going to put the JavaScript as per the blog post associated with this video. I'm going to put it in the end location, and then we're just going to paste that in there. When we click publish, we're going to get a where do we want to display our code option. So I always just do this on the entire site, but if you want to only have it on the home page, about page, whatever it may be, then you can associate that page here, add a condition, click save and close, and then go ahead and do the same for your custom style sheet, CSS. The only difference here is you're going to put it in the head, and then just copy and paste the code. Again, it's in the blog post associated to this video. Then click publish entire site once again, and that's the whole bit's done. It's really simple, and now all you need to do is go ahead and add the animations to your widgets on your page. So let me just quickly show you how this works in the real world. So my website is .war.co.uk. It's just my agency website that I'm currently using. So as you go down on this website, you can see the websites, the mock-ups on these mobile phones all fade in quite nicely. So you can see there, look, so as you scroll down, the background stays static, and the mobile phone's kind of scrolling, giving this really nice effect that the website's kind of popping into life. I really like that. And if you go to the work section, it's just a big page all with websites that are popping out the page effectively. And I've also got it on the header, so if you go to the about page, you've got it how it just kind of fades in there, and then you've also got it on these little counters that come in. So really simple. I love the effect it gives. So this is how you add it to a different element on your WordPress website. So go to any page that you've got, any element that you've got, make sure there's already not a animation associated with this widget. So by doing that, just go to advanced, you go to motion effects, and you're going to just choose your entrance animation as default or none. So we know there's nothing associated with this at the minute. And then we can go to attributes on the advanced tab. And all we have to do here is paste in the different attributes that you might want. The only important thing to note here is that we need to use, if I just enlarge that a little bit, we need to use what's called the vertical pipe symbol. So that one on your keyboard that's next to the enter key. That one there, we need to use that rather than a quotation marks. So I've added this into the blog post, which is associated with the video, just so you can copy and paste it for ease. But if we go to the actual website that has the Animate on Scroll, so this is the actual website for it, so it shows you all the different examples of the type of animations that you can have. When you scroll down to the bottom, there's a view on GitHub. If you go there, you can actually see a good example list. So this is like one one kind of animation. So it's saying fade up, it wants it offset by 200, it wants a delay of 50 milliseconds, and it wants the duration to be 1,000 milliseconds, etc. So you can see on these ones, they're actually using equals and then the quotation marks with the attribute inside it for the animation, so fade up. So what we want to do is take off the quotation marks, take off the equals, and just put that vertical pipe. So you can kind of see the difference. I just copy and paste that. And I put that above here like that. You can kind of see it's the same up until it gets to the equals. So we drop the equals, we drop the quotation, we add in a vertical pipe, and then we remove the end quotation. So just that's the only differences from the main website to this website. On the GitHub as well, you kind of got a different list at the very bottom. So you've got all these different options you can use. So you can use fade left, fade right. You've got flips, you've got slides, you've got zooms, and all sorts. So you can have a real good play around and see what you can come up with. So all you do there is add your different attributes on different lines. I've only got 2 on here, so I've just got it to fade up, and I've also got the delay set at 50 milliseconds, and click publish, and that's it. So if we just have a look at this page I've done here, so if we refresh this, very simple title, kind of just pops up and fades in like that. And then as I scroll down, I've got another one that kind of, that fades down, that fades up, but there is a 900 millisecond delay on the text, just so you can see how you can add different text to different elements. So I'll show you what that looks like on here. So if we go down to the text, advanced, attributes, and you've got fade up and a delay of 900 seconds on the actual body text. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Animate to your heart's content. I think they're really, really cool effects. So yeah, let me know how you get on, and if you have any questions, you can reach me at ben@.wall.co.uk. Thank you.